open it up. Comb his chest. Comb his chest right now.
I'm addicted to prison shows. Doesn't matter what kind, reality shows, dramas, documentaries, you name it. I love them. And every time I watch them, I think to myself, what would happen if I went to prison? I'm talking super max. Like, how would I survive? I'm an artist, right? And people in prison like tattoos, right? That's it. That's how I'm gonna survive. I'm gonna be a tattoo artist in prison. But I gotta make my own ink. Okay, let's talk ingredients. First, you need some sort of feel source. I'm using Vaseline. Then you need paper towels for the wick, a receptacle to collect the soot. I'm using a cracker box and rubbing alcohol. Oh, also probably a lighter to burn the stuff, but you know. Okay, so we're gonna turn our fuel source, the petroleum jelly, into some sort of fucked up Yankee candle. I need to make the wick out of toilet paper. First, you need toilet paper. You're gonna split it in half. You can probably do a better job than me. This is terrible terror, honestly. Okay, you gotta roll it up nice and tight so that, you know, it looks like a candle wick. Alright, now that we have our rolled up paper towel, we need to stuff it into the petroleum jelly. We need to make a nice little spiral. The container's a little bit small for me, but you just want to shove it in there so that, you know, it's gonna burn properly. You're gonna cover that a little bit, make a nice seal, and there you have it. Okay, you need spacers for the box. It's not in the original list of ingredients, but you're gonna need some sort of object to hold the box above the ground. I use old paint tubes here, but you can really use anything. The key is to leave a small enough space that it burns really inefficiently, so it generates a lot of soot, but just enough oxygen to keep the fire alive. And now we wait. It's hot. Oh, no, come. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, mom's gonna kill me. Anyways, so I've been letting it burn for about 20 minutes and I've generated an okay amount of soot. I'm gonna peel this box open and check for the amount of carbon that's stuck to the side of the box. That's gonna be our pigment for the ink. You wanna scrape it off with whatever you can find. I just use an old card, but you wanna be careful because, you know, you just don't wanna waste this stuff. Anyways, you want to pour it carefully into a small container. That's your pigment, and you're going to mix it up with rubbing alcohol, and that's your ink.
That beat come in so hard and so nasty.
I stick to the block. No time for the thoughts. No time for the box. She gon' get a knot. White on my top, play J Rolly watch, Supreme on my locks, 350s when I walk. I stick to the plot, no time for the thoughts, no time for the box. She gon' get a knot, ayy, off white on my top, play J Rolly watch, Supreme on my locks, 350s when I walk. Slop on my knob, like corn on the cob. Check in with me, and do your job. I woke up with a plot, I just woke up to some top. Say my name and don't you stop. Dummies loaded with them knots. For some change you better pop. Issue with the gang or not. Got no time to beg you out. I got no time to play around. You a big fine woman when you back that. Except if these tricking on you better clap that. The dirty pep, I'm going loco. I'm flashy like a photo. Got 5 rings on like a Thanos. Take your mayho when I say so. She say low, you're such an a-hole. I say yeah, I know, don't play though. Bend it over, touch your ankles. They go crazy for that bankroll.